Hey guys, TARUAirsoftLB here, and today I have an unboxing video, and I apologize, I am a little sick, but this is just a small order unboxing, and I'm sorry if I sound kind of nasally and stuff, so there you go. It's going to be hard to do with one hand, but that's what she said. Okay. Now this is just a lightweight tan loadout that I was doing. So there you go. Whatever. I got some shells for my Thunder Bee. They're the extra loud ones. It's pretty cool. Okay, I got tan pants, BDUs, my EMT pouch, I think it is, OD. Oh, this is my mount for my flashlight. It's offset, so it's nice and easy to use. Okay. Looks like I got a coupon, calendar, shipping information and whatnot. Another iron face mask. This one's in tan or dark earth or whatever they call it. Dark earth, I think. I got UMP pouches, 3 of them. I got another UMP mag. It's my 4th one, I think. They hold a lot. I like them. Okay, then I have I think it's my dump pouch. Yeah, it's a Roly Poly by Condor. I like it. And I think this is probably the last thing, yeah, is the new tan vest. So, thanks guys for watching. It's just a short unboxing. Comment, rate, subscribe, do what you do, and tune in next time. Till then, TARUAirsoftLB signing out. Bye.